Hey y'all, so I got my starterlocs installed March 31st, 2021. And I like them so far. They're super cute. Definitely got shrinkage, as you guys can see. But I love it. I love it. I just hope that they come out thick. Will they thicken up and things like that. So go ahead and subscribe and follow me for this journey. As you can see in the back, I don't know if it's budding or what. I mean, I haven't had it that long, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm loving the journey. And I'm super excited, and I did a cute, super cute hairstyle. And I love it. It's beautiful. And yeah, so y'all can see the back. And I love it. Give y'all a little shaky shake. Yeah. So go ahead and subscribe and let me know if you're starting your lock journey as well, or if you have locks, or if you're thinking about it. This is your sign. Go ahead and lock it up. But I'm super excited for this journey, so go ahead and subscribe and join me.